everyone, the sun is just setting. I want to show this way of playing with solar walk and star walk with Carotena siliqua, Carob, חרבנה in Arabic. This is the common one I used to hear. To the palm of your hand. This is a חרוב ring made naturally. Some use a straight חרוב like that one. חרוב like that one. Tied up as with cotton string if it not fit, or some you may use glue, some stick naturally like this one by the Cosmos. And this one is the setting. I will try to provide the חרוב rings. I have many rings and straight ones with cotton string. I'll try to get some for support. Maybe it's for planting, maybe it's to surf solar walk with. It's amazing by solar walk or by star walk. It support the growing of the xarob tree, and support the spread the knowledge by the cosmos with trees. And this is the sun of today. This is the sun that's setting. And this is this amazing xarob tree. Look at that one. It doesn't need xarob. I will try to provide straight one or curved one, carved naturally, or some you can tie with cotton string. Look at how many I have. I have a few more trees, and those are amazing to save the forest with. To save the forest, to surf the solar walk. Sun is setting. Wish for good luck. Good luck for today.